If your laptop does not charge to 100, all you have to do is go to search down here, go to device manager, click on it, and go to the battery, click on it, sorry, just click on it, and click on the first one and install it. And click on the second one and do the same thing, install it. Now go to file or action, scan for hardware. It should come out. All you have to do is go back and click on it again and update it. Okay, you can check for update. When you're done, close it. And reset your computer. And that should fix the problem. Thank you. Bye-bye.